Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi, so today we're at downtown Branson, Missouri. So come along with us.
Alright, so today we have planned for you a couple things.
Yeah.
So first off, we are going to do lunch at Paula Deen's restaurant, which is going to be really
exciting.
good and exciting, and we'll show you some things when we get into there. And then we're going to do what?
We're going to go on a train ride with the Branson Scenic Railway.
Yeah.
Brady's never done it.
I've never done it
before.
Pretty excited
cool.
about that. So anyway, we'll get into that in a minute. See ya. Okay, so both of these locations are down at the Branson Landing, and that's where we're at right now this morning.
It's actually really cool down here too, I think. It's kind of like an outdoor mall setup, and it's got a lot of different attractions for families.
Yep.
Not just like food, there's shopping, and there's attractions, there's a lot.
Like right next to us, there's a massive hot air balloon. So we think that's pretty neat, honestly. We've never done it before, but we might someday. Maybe. So, but anyway, we'll give you a little looks of this Branson Landing before we go eat. So we are just past Paula Deen's, and we're walking around, and behind us is the hot air balloon that we showed you earlier. They have several different stores in here, like Rack Room Shoes. There's a Route 21. There's a Tervis. A Shipwreck Interactive Treasure Museum. That's kind of neat. I've never seen that before. It's been a while since we've been down here. But as you guys can see, they're decorated for Christmas now.
Christmas music.
Yep, it is early November 6th. And they're doing the tree lighting today too. So it's pretty neat. They even have an arcade down here. If you guys watch one of our earlier vlogs, which I'm going to put up here in the top, you guys will see that we ate at Guy Fieri's one time while we were here.
It's very good.
Yep. They even have an Andy B's. So I really like this downtown area a lot.
It has grown so much compared to when it first came in. Like, it continuously is being added, so definitely research it before you come down.
Absolutely. So
we've got this 7D dark ride. This wasn't here last time you were
No,
here.
this wasn't here. They were building it though. So they even have a mirror maze in there. And then you got Andy B's over there.
Oh, Mellow Mushroom. I've heard some good things about their pizza.
Oh yeah, Mellow Mushroom. That's a really good pizza place. So
candy stores,
Journeys.
Oh, they have the 5 and Dime down here also.
They do have a 5 and Dime down here.
Because we've been in it, and it was pretty cool actually.
And here is the arcade. It actually looks like a theater.
This was not open the last time we were here either.
No, it wasn't due to COVID. But there's kind of that. So they even have a Joe's Crab Shack down here.
A tiki bar.
And a tiki bar. So we'll get down here a little ways and give you guys a look at the Christmas tree. All right, we made it over to the Christmas tree, and there is a shot of it. They're actually doing the lighting tonight, but we're unfortunately not going to be able to be here for that. We will be on our way back home. But it's a pretty cool, pretty big tree, and it looks like it's got a lot of lights on it. So
it'll be neat when it's lit up.
It really will. It really will be neat. And they've got some Nutcracker soldiers on either side of it also, and spread out around. If you look through there, there's silver reindeer just sitting out around everything. So they've got a Bass Pro Shops here also. I think that's where we're gonna head to. Go look around. Ooh, hey, look. If you look right through there, they've got nutcrackers with lights on them all the way down. And they're still doing their water fountain show, as you can see. So it's really a very inviting place. Here's a better look at one of those reindeer. Actually, let's come over here. There we go. There's a much better shot of those. So they really decorated very well down here for Christmas. This place is going to be beautiful whenever it's nighttime for Christmas. All right, so we have made it inside Paula Deen's, and this place looks like you were walking into her actual home. It's actually kind of neat in here, and Ash and I are really excited to eat. I mean, just look at this place. It's huge. Okay, so we're at our table, and you've got 3 different options: the Albany, the Savannah, the Georgia. So it's a family-style restaurant. So the Albany lets you choose 2 meats and 4 sides. Savannah is 3 meats, and the Georgia is 4 meats. All of them have 4 sides that come with it, plus your drink. Your options of meats are right here. You got best ever Southern fried chicken, beef pot roast, chicken fried pork chop, old fashioned Southern meatloaf, spare ribs, chicken and dumplings, Georgia fried catfish, and roasted chicken. Your sides are listed here: green beans, creamed potatoes, collard greens, fresh candied yams, creamed corn, poppy seed tossed salad, coleslaw, baked mac and cheese, black eyed peas, broccoli casserole, and tomato and cucumber salad. And then the desserts, these are the only things that you can take home with you. You got ooey gooey butter cake, banana pudding, or your seasonal cobbler. So those are our options, and we'll come back to you guys on what we're gonna get.
Okay, so our waitress just brought us a biscuit that looks like cheese is on it and then garlic butter on it. It looks really good. We haven't tried it yet. So we'll get into that. Brady, you want to try it?
I'll try it. Here. Let me get one out of here real quick.
It looks yummy.
It really does. I'm going savage on it. Seen it.
Do it.
Watch good.
Is it? Yum.
Alright, so now it's Ash's turn to try it, and
I like it.
she likes it a lot.
I hope they have this stuff like in the little gift store. That when you come in, you have like a gift store you walk through. So I hope they have like something there that makes or something.
Okay, so we went with the beef pot roast and the greatest Southern fried chicken, best ever Southern fried chicken. And then our sides were cream corn, the broccoli casserole, creamed potatoes, and
Mac and cheese.
Baked mac and cheese. So we're getting pretty excited about this. If it's anything like these rolls, it should be really good. So it is a little loud in here. So we're going to turn it off. When our food comes, we'll give you a little look of it, and then we'll eat. And then we'll get ready to get on the train. So see you then. Okay, so our food came out here extremely fast. So like less than 10 minutes. So here's the broccoli casserole, the creamed corn, the pot roast, and it comes with rice. There's the fried chicken, the creamy mashed potatoes, and the mac and cheese.
And it is all that you can just within what you can. So keeping that in mind, a big super tip is I asked them to double check. Lunch is cheaper than dinner, but it's the exact same meal. So if you're on a bus and you have lunch, this is the place to go to.
All right, here's Ash's first go. She's going mashed potatoes first. Those are good. Looks like pot roast is next.
I love the family style aspect of it. I've never been at a restaurant with have everything placed out in front of you, so it's really cool.
Yeah. Family style is awesome. Creamed corn.
I'm not a big fan of cream corn though.
Mac and cheese is good. Now the broccoli.
Oh yeah, brocoli's my favorite.
Okay. So if she likes, oh, I forgot about the chicken. And she doesn't like fried chicken.
Well, I like it. It's not
Okay, if she likes them, I'm gonna like them. So we're gonna get into eating here, and then afterwards we'll give you a full-on review. So, and we'll show you the gift shop. All right, we just walked out of Paula Deen's. We were gonna show you guys the gift store, but it was packed. I mean, it did not take long at all for that place to get packed.
Oh my gosh, it was so good.
The food was really, really great.
I feel like I hurt myself eating that much. Like, I regret it a little bit. Oh.
Yes, just a little bit. But they have a full gift store in there in the front of the whole restaurant.
Super cute. It's got like her like food mixes and seasonings and stuff too, which is cool.
Yeah, it has all of our recipes for things, but like it was so crowded, there was no way we were going to be able to film anything in there. So, but we did end up getting some desserts.
Yes, and it's included too, which I thought was awesome.
And you can take it home. Like we said before.
You just can't take home any of the foods because it's like an all-you-can-eat kind of concept.
Right.
So.
Yeah. So you want to tell them what we got?
For our desserts?
Yes.
Okay, so chocolate covered ooey gooey.
No, it's just chocolate. Ooey gooey butter cake.
Okay, so and then I got a apple cobbler.
Yep. So we're stuffed, so we will
not eating now.
Not be eating those now. So you guys will leave that up to the little mystery for your guys' selves to
try it. Yeah. So. I highly recommend this. This is probably the best place to go eat at, I think, in Branson. Super like Southern comfort food, so really good.
And then, well, I think the next time we see them, we're going to be getting on the train, right?
Yeah.
All right. See you then. Well, we made it to the train, and it's back here behind us and extends all the way down through there. Okay. We came over to kind of a little more secluded spot on the other side because there's a lot of people on the other end and not a whole lot of room for us to film. So we came over here on this side. Luckily, we got a better view. But we're not going to do any talking when we get on the train. We don't want to take away anybody else's experience, but we hope that by watching this, it's going to make you guys want to come down here and ride this thing too. So
I'm
anyway,
excited to see like all the fall trees right now too.
Yeah,
the trees are changing here, so it'll be really pretty.
I'm pretty excited too. I've never done this before that I can remember. I might have when I was really, really little, but I doubt it. But anyway, I'm excited too, and I think this is going to be a lot of fun. So we'll see you guys on the train.
See ya. got done with our train ride, and I thought it was really cool. What do you think, babes?
Yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of fun. Very scenic.
Yeah, and it took about 2 hours, so I think it was well worth the cost. The conductor explains things like what did you go by, and also just kind of relaxing trip. You go through 2 tunnels, and then you go over 1 large bridge, and you kind of like back up and you go backwards back to the train depot.
Yep.
Anything else you'd like to add, or?
No, I thought it was neat where they got all the different cars from. All the different cars are from different years and models, so there's that too. And sorry about the traffic in the background. We're walking back to where we parked and didn't want to walk through the landing, so we decided to walk around the street.
Yes. So I think that's going to end our video for today. We're so glad you guys watched it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on anything. And with that, bring on the next adventure.
Bye, guys.